the Honda Civic cooling fan that it stopped working, and today I'm going to take it out and check why it's not working. So we need some tool, a screwdriver, a number 10 wrench, some ply, and this is the important, you need to have the fork pin. You can take the paper clip to this one. You need to hold the the thing inside later. I will show you. So first you take the screwdriver, the wrench, and open the screw. Take the plastic fan out, and there a plastic piece here, you need to put it back later. Then you flip the fan over, and there are 3 screws. You just need to unscrew it. And you pull out the wire here. You take this apart. And then here the screw. You notice some of the black things that coming out. There is a carbon brush inside that get dirty by when it spin. Some of the carbon does come out, and it may stuck the pin inside that it doesn't come out. So this one you can pull it out using this to pry it out. Okay, this one come out too, and then there is some metal lock here. You just need to pry it straight out. There's one underneath here. This one a little bit hard. You will use a smaller one. One here, another one here, and then you take it out. It's hard to come out with something, the magnetic inside. Okay, that's all the dust that you see here. And remember, this one needs to be come back in here. And here we have the brush, the carbon brush inside. When we pull it out, we just push it down, and then it pop up, then take it out. Okay, so here we have two carbon thing come out here. This is the good one, that if it come out, it's good. There are 2 that doesn't come out. There are 2 that doesn't come out. That the one that bad is stuck. So that's why the electric not contact into the motor. So what we do is we take a thing, we push it out. Okay, and same over here, we push it out. Okay, take all this out. And now what we do, we try to pry this one open so it doesn't stuck. You can use this one easier. Okay, now we need to push it back. The spring come in first, and then the brush come, carbon. Now you know why I use the pin here. It need to go in here. If you don't have the pin, the carbon brush will come out. Same thing over here. See, it's stuck. That means it's not good yet. You need to take it out again. This to the one that's stuck, so we need to take care of it. Okay, let's see if it come out easy yet. Still stuck in. You have to make sure that it's not stuck. So we'll try it again. If it pop out, then it'll good. Now it's still a little bit stuck. Having the problem with this one not coming out. So I think the better way is file. Use some sandpaper and file the corner to make it rounder. Okay, let's try it again. It's still stuck, but it's a little bit better now. So keep filing more. Okay, now it's not stuck anymore. We put another pin. Same thing over here, it's still stuck. So we're fouling it. Let's see. Okay, now it's not stuck anymore. So we have 4 of them. get a piece of paper and wipe all the dust in here. And also over here, we wipe all the dust out. And then we put this one back in. Clipper. Okay, and we pull the clipper out. And then we should have it flatten. Okay, put back the cover. Okay, we will push the pin back thing. And that's it. Now we just push this one back. The clip back. And thing come in here, the fan come back in, the screw, okay, we're done. That's it.